Hello, this video is to show the token factory and token vesting contract that we are deploying on AURORA network and blockchain operating system. So here is a first functionality. We have the token factory. So this is very simple. We have an address token owner, and that is my account. It's been recovered directly from the from the MetaMask wallet. I have the token name, token symbol, token supply, and it's as easy. I will leave it by default, so I can create my own token. So this doesn't ask for fees because I'm using the AURORA Plus services that allow us to have all these transactions for free. So it's start minting, token factory. We give a couple of seconds, and here we go. After this finishes, this means that we have all the tokens and that we are ready, that here is the new token that is being created, and I can add these tokens inside my list of fungible tokens that are available for me. So here is my token, and I can add this custom token. After, what I can do is a token vesting. So if I want to assign tokens for someone in the future, like an investor, angel investor, or venture capital fund, you can go to the token vesting. You can put the token address that you are interested to put. You can put the amount of tokens that you are interested to give to this investor or I don't know, a stock options worker. And you can go put that cliff duration, the vesting duration, the beneficiary. This is on the follow account of one of the team's members. So here is, and the start, that is the units time stamp of the date of today. So the first thing is allow the use of tokens. So I will click to give the allowance on the MetaMask wallet. So I will put the maximum. Just for default, you can choose directly the amount that you wanted to put in vest, and I will set this vesting. So I click the vesting contract, I confirm. Well, we can see the transactions happening, is pending to be approved, but just after some seconds it is ready for everyone, the vesting contract. The last part is we can look at release. You can click in release vesting. If you are the contract with the vesting that is applied, you can go here and claim your token. So it is already ready. Is it live on mainnet and AURORA network, and you can start looking for it. So thank you very much.